What is up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can unlock USDT on Tone in Hamster. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that we will open up our Telegram. Now opening up the Telegram will bring you the Telegram, so I'm just going to open up my Hamster Combat. Now this is how the Hamster Combat will look like. In the Hamster Combat, what you have to do is you just have to tap on this mine section. In the mine section, you just have to go to this special section. In the special section, you just have to keep on scrolling down. Now you just have to keep on scrolling down until you will be able to see a special combo card which is called as unlock Tone or unlock USDT on Tone. So if you keep on scrolling down, you'll be able to find it right here. Once you find it, as you can see, USDT on Tone. So as you can see, it is locked right here. To unlock it, you just have to tap on that. And here currently in my case, I do not have any sufficient funds, but in your case, it will just tell you that it is locked. So to unlock it, as you can see, it is just telling you that you have to invite 3 friends. Just invite 3 of your friends and there you go. Your USDT on Tone will be unlocked right here on Hamster.